Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. This is my video essay for the application to MIT for Masters in Supply Chain Management program. My decision to pursue a Masters in Supply Chain Management is governed by my desire to transition from strategy building to strategy implementation. Over the last 6 years, I have done a variety of supply chain projects such as organizational redesign, procurement strategy, vendor development, new sales distribution channel, demand forecasting to broad-based market entry. These projects were done for clients such as Audi, Daihatsu, Kia Motors, SAIC, Yamaha, Honda Motorcycles, and many more. One common learning outcome from each of these projects was that today, with threat of technological disruption, competitive advantage is synonymous with supply chain excellence. Supply chain excellence that focuses on increased visibility across the value chain. A case in point was a project that we did for a global two-wheeler company where ADL's simple contribution was to create an MIS system tracking the KPI of major supply chain related function. The net result of this project was that we were able to introduce a 20% improvement across the major KPI of different functions. While my current professional and academic background has given me a good cross-functional knowledge and the ability to handle uncertainties, I do need deeper knowledge and training on how intelligent tools can be utilized to offer better quality, cost competitiveness, and increased flexibility. In other words, an agile supply chain ecosystem. Through the program, I aim to acquire deep knowledge in operations and various success-based metrics that will help me to develop, design, and implement an agile supply chain ecosystem. Post the program, I'm interested in a product management role in firms such as Amazon, Tesla, or Walmart, as such a role will provide me with the necessary operations-based experience from a cross-functional perspective. It would allow me to drive a product's evolution from conceptualization to commercialization by coordinating with various business functions and divisions. Within this role, I would acquire a much deeper knowledge of the KPI of various functions and divisions, as well as how technology is being utilized and reconfiguring the operating model, asset deployment, and quality of services. In the medium term, I would look to further build on this iterative development approach to establish the operating model of a larger business segment or division using much greater technologies such as artificial intelligence or automation. Such a career path would provide me with the necessary implementation-based learning in the context of next-gen technology, first at the product level and then subsequently at a division level, which I would leverage to move into my long-term goal, that is to lead the strategy division of a manufacturing firm. Talking about a global supply chain problem which I find most interesting is that today disruption is a norm, and in such a scenario, meeting supply and demand requirement is easier said than done. In such a challenging circumstance, capacity planning and subsequent resource deployment is an area of concern, and addressing this is what I find most interesting. The reason why I find this very interesting is threefold. Firstly, in order to resolve such a problem, I would have to contribute to major supply chain based decisions such as capacity augmentation or evaluation of tie-ups, areas which are of great responsibility, something that I find very, very exciting. Secondly, it would allow me to utilize my cross-functional knowledge and my problem-solving skills to convert business insights and learning into credible business cases. Lastly, I would be able to utilize my coordination skills to connect the dots and anticipate threats and opportunities in a timely manner for the growth and the benefit of my organization. This brings me to the end of my video essay. I would like to thank each one of you for this wonderful opportunity and for taking time to see this. Thank you so very much. I look forward to hearing from you all very soon.